What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having an awesome day. I wanted to go ahead and try out the Meguiar's Quick Interior Detailer. I had purchased this at Walmart. Very inexpensive product. As you can see here, I'm going to go ahead and try it on my truck interior. The smell in this product is amazing. But before I get into this, really, I wanted to go ahead and read some of the literature so that way you know exactly what this is for. So it says, safely cleans all interior surfaces, contains sun blocking agents to preserve original appearance, convenient spray on wipe off product that will not leave behind a greasy appearance or feel, improved deep cleaning formula, quickly and safely clean interior plastic, vinyl, leather, rubber, metal, and even LCD and navigation screens. Gentle, high lubricity formula quickly cleans, lifting dust, dirt, grime, and spills while restoring the original appearance of all interior surfaces. Great for fast touch-ups. So that was on their website, and I'll go ahead and I'll try to leave that in the descriptions. But as you can see, that when I was wiping the dash part of it, the front part of it, the glove compartment, there was a little bit of like a little bit of streaking, but that was my fault. I needed to go over it twice, which I did, and it ended up taking all of that stuff. And you'll see it on another part that it happened. It just means that it needed to be clean, really cleaned. Didn't realize how dirty it was, but it was. So here I'm just cleaning the center console, and it did an excellent job. This stuff does have it has a unique smell to it. I can't really pinpoint it. I think if I would say anything about the smell is it kind of has like this, to me, like an old-fashioned smell. Classic, I guess, maybe. But it works, and I dig the scent. So right here, I'm just cleaning right here where the radio is, and it came out really, really clean. No prints, no dust, nothing. It looked really, really good. And this is the part that I was talking about that needed another couple of wipes, which it did an awesome job. Look at how I didn't even realize it was that dirty. I really didn't. And that's because I wipe it down almost at least every weekend. So I hate to say this, but the product that I was using, yeah, I guess is leaving stuff behind. But it just did a really, really good job. And right here, I'm just cleaning the panel on the door panel. It did a really excellent job. I was really happy with it. I thought this did an excellent job. I would recommend it, and I would definitely keep on using it. I was just really, really happy with this, and it's so inexpensive. So great job, Meguiars. 2 thumbs up. All right, guys, if you like the video, make sure to hit that like button. If you appreciate this type of content, feel free to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Hope everyone has an awesome day. Take care.